Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to join a CAD server and how to create a civilian in the Melonly CAD. On the Melonly website, click on Melonly CAD in the top bar and then click Join Server. From here, put in the community code and the join code. If you can't find these, check out any channel labeled like CAD or CAD information or open a ticket in the server, and now that I'll click Join. I'm in the server and you want to go to Civilian. Now that I'm on Civilian, click on New Character. This is where you configure your character. I'm going to add a civilian photo. And then I'll enter my information. When I'm done with my character, I'll check it over, then I'll click Create. This is now my primary character. If I make another one for a different roleplay, I can enter it here. To create a vehicle registration, click on New Record, then click Vehicle Registration, and enter your vehicle information. Then click Create. And then to create a driver's license, it's the same deal. Click on New Records and then Driver's License. You've now created your civilian character. Click on My Records to view all of your records. I have my vehicle registration here, and if I click on it, it will show me all the information. And my civilian registration is right here on the center page. Your economy is in the top. This is synced with Unbelievable and will go down with fines if your server has that enabled. And you can edit your civilian character by clicking the button in the top right of the civilian character window. To call 911, click on the top, and then make your emergency call information. This will autofill off of your civilian character. You can change this via the select character dropdown, as we mentioned earlier. In the bottom left, there's options to leave the CAD, to switch the panel, preferences, to enter full screen, to give feedback, for information including criminal codes and police codes, and for a notepad. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any more questions, reach out to us and support. Thank you.